Top-down, bottom-up design, enjoy more freedom with light. Easily adjust the lighting to your preference anytime. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the location, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then, secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. Top-down, bottom-up shade, define your favorite light intensity.